continue approach, roger.
Actual airline pilots play the parts of the ill-fated crew. The dialogue is taken from the cockpit voice recorder and altered only to remove or change expletives and names. Certain omissions have been made to shorten the elapsed time.
Now I'm going to try it down one more time.
Eastern Flight 401 is on final approach to Miami International, runway 9 left. The nose landing gear indicator has failed to illuminate, so the crew cannot tell whether the gear is extended and locked.
You want me to test the lights or not?
Yeah, check it.
Watch your seat back.
Doug, it could be the light. Could you jiggle the light?
It's got to come out a little and then snap in.
I'll put them on. Up to 2,000. You want me to fly, Doug?
What frequency did he want us on?
28.6.
I'll talk to him. All right, approach control Eastern 401. We're right over the airport here and climbing to 2,000 feet. In fact, we've just reached 2,000 feet, and we've got to get a green light on our nose gear.
Eastern 401, roger. Turn left heading 360, maintain 2,000, vectors to 9 left final.
Left to 360.
I think it's above the red one.
Yeah, I can't get it from here.
I can't make it pull out either.
We got pressure?
Yes, sir, all systems.
Put the damn thing on autopilot.
All right.
See if you can put that light out. Well, you got to push the switch just a little bit further forward. Now turn it to the right a little bit. No, I don't think it's going to fit. Hey, get down there and see if that damn nose wheel's down.
Okay. You got a handkerchief or something so I can get a little better grip on this? Anything I can do with? This damn thing just won't come out, Doug. If I had a pair of pliers, I could cushion it with that cleaner.
The captain has neglected to divide up flying responsibilities. Everyone is absorbed by the crisis, so they don't hear the audio alert announcing a change in altitude.
Do the pliers.
To hell with this. Go down and see if that red line is lined up down there. Don't screw around with that 20-cent piece of light equipment. Eastern 401, I'll go out west just a little further if we can here and see if we can get this light to come on.
All right.
The autopilot has somehow become disengaged. The plane is slowly descending, and nobody is paying any attention to the altimeter.
It's always something. We could have made schedule.
Well, we can tell if the damn gear is down by looking down at the indices. I'm sure.
An emergency landing with a possible nose gear problem is neither very risky nor all that unusual. It's an option the captain could be preparing for now.
It's got to be a faulty light. Doug, this damn thing just won't come out.
All right, just leave it there.
Eastern 401, how are things coming along out there?
The controller's inquiry is too vague for the crew to realize he's asking about 401's surprisingly low altitude.
Okay.
180.
Some of the altitude here.
What?
We're still at 2,000, right?
Hey, what's happening here?